is mini home cleaner. This is used for cleaning our home and industries. Normally in our homes we use vacuum cleaners or broomstick for cleaning, but it is too expensive. If you go for broomstick, it costs nearly 200 and it costs nearly 200 and within 3 months we have to replace it. But if we use this machine, it will be at least durable for 5 years, and moreover it needs only 12 volt DC current. Therefore we no need to waste AC current also. First charge from the 12 volt DC comes to this wire and it gets stored in this battery. Therefore even if the current is not available, we can use this battery as a backup. And after that, this goes to two motors. This is one motor and other motor is at bottom. This first motor has a unbalanced weight. See, the weight is only in one side of this shaft. Therefore while this motor rotates so fastly, the weight of the one side makes the motor to vibrate. This vibration of this motor causes this brush to move. And you may see there is a fan in the bottom side. This is the computer fan. This is taken from the computer UPS used for condensing. While this fan rotates so fastly, the dust particles in the bottom side get sucked by this fan and it moves through this funnel and at last gets stored in this small box. This small box is detachable. If the dust is filled, we can take it, put the dust off and we can refill it. And there is another bottle here. This is used for mopping. If you like to mop your floor, you can add water to this, and there is a small tube opening in this. By this the water comes out and this goes to this brush. This acts like the mopping. To increase if you pour water directly, it will come very slowly. To increase that, here I have a balloon, and if you put water into this, see, it comes slowly. Therefore if we add this balloon, because of the air pressure, it comes fastly and it acts like mopping. It also has a timer. Therefore if you want to go out, you can on this timer, then it moves. This is very useful for our daily life, and this can be bought by anyone or made by anyone. This costs just 750, which is less cost than any vacuum cleaner or any broomstick. Moreover, it is fully automatic. We don't have to waste our time. If you are going outside, we have to just on this and go.